Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make money online. So stay with me in this video and watch this video to the end, and also like and subscribe this video. So without wasting much time, let me show you the website that I've been using to make money online. So the website is called FUD and this is a USDT mining platform. So click on the link in the description and you will land on the registration page of the website. So I'll be showing you how you can create an account on this platform. So let me show you how you can create an account on this platform. So you click here to select your country code. So after you have selected the country that you are from, you have to enter your mobile phone number. You have to enter your mobile phone number here. Let me enter my mobile phone number. Then you will click on this send button. So when you click on the send button, you receive an OTP code from them. So you enter the OTP code here, then you will choose your login password. So after that, enter my invitation code. So after you have created the account, you have to log in into your account. So I'll log in into my account and I'll show you how you can do everything on this platform. So I have logged in into my account and this is the home page of the website. You can see the miners over here. So there is my dashboard. And there's my dashboard and my balance is 0.00 USDT because I have withdrawn all the money that I have over there. Let me show you the total amount of withdrawal that I've been withdrawn from this platform. So I've made a total withdrawal of 30.131 USDT from this platform, and I made one withdrawal this afternoon. You can check the date over here. You can check the date, that is 26 here. I made that withdrawal this afternoon, and I will show you the withdrawal proof when I receive the money in my Binance. So yeah, this is the message I withdrawn 16.32 from the platform, and this is the message when I receive the money in my Binance account. And the withdrawal processing always lasts for 2 minutes or less. So I will show you how you can make money on this platform. So let me show you how you can make a deposit on this platform. So you will click on the recharge button. And on this platform the minimum recharge amount is 10 USDT. So you copy their wallet address, and the network is TRC20. So make sure you open the crypto wallet that you are using, and I'm using Binance. So make sure you open the wallet that you are using. Then we are going to make a deposit to that platform. So you select the coin that you'll be withdrawing, then you paste the wallet that you copied, then you select the network. Make sure you select TRC20, then you enter the amount that you are withdrawing. So make sure you enter 11 USDT, because when you enter 11 USDT, Binance will deduct 1 USDT. Make sure you deduct 11 USDT because Binance is going to deduct 1 USDT as a transaction fee. Yeah. So after you have entered the amount that you are withdrawing, you have to click on the withdraw button and you wait for them to process your withdrawal. So after you have received the money in your wallet, you have to click on the home. Then you go through the miner, any of these miner that you want. The first miner costs 10 USDT and it will last for only 10 days. You'll be making 1.5 USDT daily, which means so after the 10 days you'll be getting 15 USDT. So you can scroll through the miners that you want, then you click on the investment. So after you have clicked on the investment, you have to click on the investment again, and you click on the OK. So after you have clicked on the OK, they will deduct the 10 USDT from your wallet. They will deduct the 10 USDT from your wallet. So after you have buy the miner, you don't have to do any additional work again. You have to sit back and you wait for the 10 days to complete. So after you have bought the miner, you don't have to do any extra work. You have to let the miner finish working before you withdraw. So this is how the withdrawal system work. Let me show you how the withdrawal system the referral system works. So you get 3 USDT. You get 3 USDT for referring 3 people to register. So this is how the referral system works, and you can get your referral code here. So you can see that I've made 3 referral and I've got 6.5 USDT from the 3 referral that I made. So this platform is paying right now, guys. Hurry up and create an account on this platform and start making money for free.